like in 2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do a wide range of tasks.
Recently, Tesla's Optimus bot just took on an entirely new job. And this time, it wasn't inside any of Tesla's factories. Right in the middle of Times Square, New York, Tesla's friendly robot showed up handing out Halloween candy to passersby. It was a simple, everyday moment, warm, human, and special. But the question is this the Tesla bot Gen 2 or Gen 3, or even Gen 4 or 5 that Elon Musk mentioned in Tesla's third quarter financial reporting call? It's undeniable that Tesla has been doing an impressive job accelerating the production of its bots in recent months. However, the flood of information being released has left many people confused about its accuracy, making it hard to fully trust these uncertain claims. According to leaked information, Elon Musk has officially confirmed the launch timeline for the Tesla bot Gen 3, the most advanced version of the humanoid robot to date. Meanwhile, the company is reportedly already working on Gen 4 and Gen 5 models expected to debut next year in massive quantities. Numbers so large that even competitors like Figure AI or Unitry Robotics wouldn't dare to imagine.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be 10 million units, Optimus 5 maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
But that's not all. Elon Musk also declared that he could soon be commanding an entire army of robots. So, when exactly will the Tesla bot Gen 3 be released? And what are the key differences between the Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5 models in terms of functionality, purpose, and price? According to Tesla's most reliable sources, this November, the Tesla bot Gen 3 will officially make its debut, featuring at least 4 major upgrades that far surpass the current Gen 2.5 model. This will be the first fully capable version, allowing Optimus to complete up to 3,000 extended tasks per day. Thanks to its advanced self-learning and imitation abilities, Elon Musk is confident that it will be able to cook daily meals and even prepare breakfast just like a real household assistant. After more than a year of intensive training, 16 hours a day at the Fremont factory, Optimus can now perform up to 3,000 tasks per day, powered by its advanced self-learning and imitation capabilities. The new version features human-like hands and upgraded hardware, enabling Optimus to operate much faster than anyone expected with exceptional speed and precision. It's fully prepared for mass production next year with an estimated price range of $30,000 to $50,000. Trust us, the moment you see it, you're going to love it. Returning to Optimus' latest assignment, this isn't the first time the Tesla bot has stepped into the service industry. Last year, at the We Robot event where Tesla unveiled the Cybercab and Robovan, Optimus took on the role of a drink server behind the counter. In Los Angeles, the robot also made an appearance at the Tesla diner, holding popcorn in hand and greeting guests right on cue. Behind these light-hearted appearances, however, lies Elon Musk's serious long-term vision. In commercial settings, it can be programmed to handle various production and support tasks in factories, something Tesla has already been testing on a smaller scale. In terms of internal progress, Musk revealed that Optimus prototypes have been moving around Tesla's engineering headquarters in Palo Alto almost 24%. The biggest challenge at this stage lies in the hands to replicate the extraordinary dexterity of the human hand. With 4 fingers and an opposable thumb, multiple degrees of freedom, varying muscle forces, and optimal finger length, the team has had to tackle what Musk calls a biological problem wrapped in an electromechanical shell. Most of the motion control systems are housed within the forearm, making the development of Optimus hand-forearm assembly one of the most complex engineering tasks, even more demanding in terms of electromechanical precision than the rest of the robot's body. During a recent earnings call, Elon Musk revealed that the Tesla bot Gen 3 is expected to launch later this year, featuring an extraordinary design optimized for mass production. However, one clarification is needed. The newly spotted yellow and black Optimus units with upgraded arms are still part of the Gen 2.5 lineup, not the official Optimus Gen 3. Optimus 5 2.5 features several notable visual upgrades compared to its predecessor. The outer shell has been redesigned with smoother contours, cleanly covered joints, and fewer exposed cables. The overall design language has shifted from a boxy mechanical look to a rounder, more refined form, giving the robot a friendlier appearance and making it look more like a finished product rather than an experimental prototype. In addition to the design updates, Optimus 5 2.5 now comes integrated with xAI's Grow voice assistant. This allows the robot to answer questions verbally, though its responses are still somewhat slow and occasionally delayed. While its replies may sound hesitant and slightly awkward, this integration marks a major leap forward compared to earlier versions. Few people realize that Tesla has actually been putting major effort into perfecting Optimus Gen 3, which is expected to debut later this year. This new version brings upgrades so advanced that it could take the Unitry G1 years to catch up. Optimus Gen 3 is being designed to handle a wider range of practical tasks, especially around the home. Its upgraded capabilities in cooking, cleaning, and other household chores are far beyond what the current model can do. Even more impressive, the new Optimus will boast a massive battery improvement. Just 2 hours of charging will power it for 22 hours of continuous operation. Naturally, the price tag will no longer be the original $20,000. To make Optimus capable of performing tasks like cooking, Tesla has invested heavily in developing its true brain, and just as importantly, its arms. Elon Musk recently admitted on X that one of the toughest engineering challenges lies in creating a dexterous robotic hand, and mass-producing thousands or even millions of these hands is up to 100 times more difficult. Musk has said that building Optimus is harder than the Model X, more complex than the Cybertruck, and even tougher than constructing a gigafactory, though still not as difficult as the Starship project. But why is Tesla dedicating so much effort and money to designing a hand that moves like a human's? According to Musk, human beings have evolved to look and function the way we do for a reason. Everything in our world, tools, environments, and daily objects has been built for human use. So if a robot is going to perform the same tasks we do, it must share our form, especially our hands, the very instruments that allowed humanity to build civilization.